Real estate, it's more than just houses. It's a tangible asset that you can see and touch. It's a source of passive income, providing you with a steady stream of revenue. It's a path to financial freedom, offering opportunities to grow your wealth. For generations, real estate has been the cornerstone of wealth building, passed down from one family member to another. It offers a unique combination of stability and growth potential, making it a reliable investment. Now it's your turn to unlock its power and take advantage of its benefits. This isn't just about getting rich quick, it's about making smart, long-term investments. This is about building a legacy that can be handed down through generations. It's about taking control of your financial future and securing it. It's about achieving your dreams and turning them into reality. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned investor, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to make smart decisions. It will empower you to navigate the exciting world of real estate investing with confidence. Get ready to build your empire brick by brick. Your journey starts now. Let's begin this exciting adventure together.
Managing your assets from tenants to taxes. Owning a property is just the beginning. Managing it effectively is crucial for maximizing returns. Property management, handling tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance, and legal compliance. Property managers, hiring professionals to handle day-to-day operations, freeing up your time and reducing stress. Property management software, utilizing technology to streamline operations, track expenses, and communicate with tenants. Taxes and record-keeping, understanding tax implications, deductions, and maintaining accurate financial records. Proper management ensures your investment generates income, appreciates in value, and remains a valuable asset for years to come.
Advanced strategies, leveling up your investments. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore advanced strategies to accelerate your wealth building. BRRRR method, a strategy involving buying, rehabilitating, renting, refinancing, and repeating to build a portfolio of cash-flowing properties. Multifamily properties, investing in duplexes, triplexes, or apartment buildings to generate multiple streams of rental income. These strategies require more experience and capital, but offer the potential for significant returns. Continuous learning is key in real estate. Stay informed about market trends, regulations, and emerging strategies to stay ahead of the curve.
The rewards of real estate building wealth and beyond. Real estate investing offers a multitude of rewards, both financial and personal. It's a journey that can transform your life in many ways. Passive income rental properties generate consistent cash flow, providing financial stability and freedom. This steady income stream can help you achieve financial independence. Appreciation. Property values tend to appreciate over time, building long-term wealth. This growth can significantly enhance your net worth. Tax advantages. Real estate investors benefit from tax deductions on mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. These tax benefits can save you a substantial amount of money. Tangible asset. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate is a physical asset you can see and touch, providing a sense of security. This tangibility offers peace of mind. Legacy building. Real estate investments can be passed down to future generations, creating a lasting legacy. This ensures that your hard work benefits your loved ones. The rewards of real estate investing extend far beyond financial gain. They empower you to achieve your dreams, secure your future, and make a lasting impact. Real estate is not just an investment, it's a pathway to a better life. Navigating the risks, protecting your investment. While real estate offers significant potential, it's important to be aware of the risks involved. Market fluctuations. Real estate markets are cyclical and can experience downturns impacting property values. Property management challenges. Dealing with difficult tenants, maintenance issues, or vacancies can be time-consuming and costly. Economic factors, economic recessions or interest rate hikes can affect affordability and demand for real estate. Unforeseen expenses, unexpected repairs, natural disasters, or legal issues can arise, requiring financial reserves. It's crucial to mitigate risks through thorough research, careful planning, and having contingency plans in place. The power of knowledge, resources for success. The world of real estate investing is full of valuable resources to guide you on your journey. Books and articles. Countless resources provide in-depth knowledge about real estate investing strategies, market analysis, and legal aspects. Online courses and workshops. Learn from experienced investors and industry experts through online platforms and workshops. Networking events and meetups. Connect with other investors, real estate agents, and professionals to gain insights and build relationships. Mentorship. Seek guidance from seasoned investors who can provide valuable advice and support. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of real estate investing. Taking the first step, your journey to financial freedom begins now. You've gained valuable knowledge about real estate investing. This knowledge is your foundation. Now it's time to take action, define your goals, clearly outline what you want to achieve. Determine your financial objectives, risk tolerance, and desired time commitment. Create a plan. A well-thought-out plan is crucial. Outline your investment strategy, budget, and timeline. Start small, don't rush into big investments. Begin with a manageable investment and gradually scale up as you gain experience and confidence. Patience is key. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Seeking advice can make a big difference. Seek guidance from real estate agents, financial advisors, or mentors to support you along the way. Their expertise can be invaluable. Every journey begins with a single step. Take that step today. Your future self will thank you. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the successes as you build your path to financial freedom. Each milestone is a victory. Conclusion. Building your future brick by brick real estate investing is more than just a financial strategy. It's a transformative journey. It's about taking control of your destiny, creating lasting wealth, and leaving a legacy for future generations. It's about having the courage to dream big, the discipline to plan wisely, and the resilience to overcome obstacles. As you embark on this exciting adventure, remember that you are not alone. With the right knowledge, resources, and support, you can achieve your real estate investing goals and unlock a future filled with financial security and freedom. Start building your empire today. Brick by brick, your future awaits.